What I'm going to do, I'm going to cover a pair of like tactical boots from the company NORTIV8 is how you would say that. And then looking over the side of the box here, the number on these are called the alloy, and they're the men's tactical version. And I got mine in the black color, and they come, the one I got is a US size 9, and these things fit very true to size. And just let me just kind of like open them up and show you all these, because I have been wearing them. That's why they're muddy there, because I have been, you know, walking around and been using them here, and I put them back in the box for the purpose of this video. But let me show you some of the features I really liked about them. Number one, it's a light boot. For a tactical boot, they're very light. These things feel like they don't weigh almost nothing. They're not 100% waterproof, but they are waterproof up to about the zipper. And it has a zipper lined right here. That here's one of the features I liked about them the most. Check this out. You can tie them up. They have a fabric. I love these laces, these fabric laces. And these eyelets here seem to have some sort of hard plastic or metal stuck down in there, so it makes it very durable when you're lacing them up. You lace them up, you tie them, and to put them on, you can actually unzip them, slide them on, and then while you got them on, then zip them up and then Velcro over. That is awesome. Isn't that cool, everybody? I really like that feature right there. And the sole on these things are a very thick rubber, but it's soft. It's a soft, flexible rubber. Check that out. There's no binding. They are very breathable. For a boot, this tongue is like a mesh-style tongue. It's very breathable on the tongue. This is an anti-slip sole. I have been using these. I've walked around the yard. I've used them downtown. I've went to town. I've had them on for a day or two before I did the video to really get a feel for them. I like the fact that they have a protective heel on the back. You got a protective heel back here, and they've stitched like an abrasion resistance right back there. And the toe isn't, they're not steel toe. I think these are available in steel toe, but it's a very, check that out. That's a hardened toe, and it's stitched in there, so that won't come off. I like that they glued and stitched that. So yeah, this is a very affordable option for anyone that's just looking to get a good tactical boot for just about everything, whether it's motorcycle riding, hiking, hunting, fishing, doing anything like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the NORTIV8 tactical boot. See y'all in the next video.